In this video, we are going to see and observe the chart of accounts functionality and the chart of accounts structure in QuickBooks Online. And we are going to match it with our project because this scenario is about elite traders, which was using some other accounting software, or maybe they were working on Excel spreadsheets and now they have planned to work or implement on QuickBooks Online. So they need all the ledgers with the opening balances. So here it is, but we just need to make sure that we do have all of these ledgers with the same name or at least similar nature in QuickBooks Online. So we need to see the chart of accounts. To see the chart of accounts, just go to the corner where it says accounting tab, click on chart of accounts here. And here is the complete list of chart of accounts. As you can see, we have many chart of accounts here. Some are related to expenses, other current assets, equity. Now the first ledger is debtors or receivables. If we are finding it difficult to see some ledger, we can just also find it here. So just write here receivables. No, we don't have receivables. Let's try debtors. We don't have debtors as well. But this is a very main account. The receivables current balance is 195,000. So why it is not there? That means when we enter the individual customers along with their balances, you will notice that Justin has 85,000 balance, 30,000 for Albert, Victor has 65,000, Walter has 15,000 to be paid. So this is all receivables. If we combine all of these balances, it makes the total to 195,000, which is exactly matches this one. So when we enter the individual customers along with the balances, this balance should automatically update. So neither do we need to create any kind of chart of accounts, and nor we will put any balance here. Same goes for creditors and stock. When we enter the individual details along with the balances, this will automatically update. So this means that we will directly start working from the next ledger, which is buildings at cost. And we will also learn how we can create some new ledgers and also edit the name of the existing ones if we need to. So just try this one and see how the chart of accounts work. Just open up the chart of accounts and observe, and I'll see you in the next one.